Sama Sambuddhassa Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Sama Sambuddhassa Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Sama Sambuddhassa Patha Katikowa Mahanisis Mahanisadowa Audana Kuda Sarisehi Anisa Anisada Mansehi Itogadehi Samanagado Tathagati means the one who has the one who has the hip or waist. This one also a little drop to the and that means the Patthagatika. Therefore, Patthagatika means the one who has the dropped waist or waist. And then here he also doesn't mention this Katika means the according to the bone system or because of the some are the very fat at the time also they are with cannot be the see clear where the in the women is less according to the bone system that person has the dropped waist. Therefore, sometimes we can see clearly, sometimes we cannot see the clearly. This those types of person, but they walk or when they lying down, we can see clearly or we can notice clearly those types of person in the Batak Katika person. Mahani Mahani Sadowa. Mahani Sadowa. Was the shoot. They say the Anidami, those types of person has a very large or shoot hip or buttock. Buttock, and also sometimes hip also we translate it. Therefore, Maha Anisada means the one who had the very large or huge hip. Those types of person, the hunger become the here mentioned in the one who endowed with the Anisada Mensa. Pleasure the hip, which is similar to the tripod. And also, this is also referred to the above side. That means we can imagine the tripod. At the time, bottom is the very huge, in the top is the smaller, smaller, smaller. In this way, those types of person, hips time also like this. And also, bottom is so huge, and upper side a little by a little smaller to smaller. In this way, those types of person also called the Maha Anisada. We can imagine the like a tripod. This appearance we can see those types of person is called the Maha Anisada. Maha Urugowa, Wadandigowa, Maha Janugowa, Singatana Janugowa, Diga Jingowa, Yati Sadisa Jangowa Wikatowa Panowa Opada Paindigowa So do we do Hita Oron Lahiwa Upari Aron Lahiwa Mahadihi Jenga Paindikahi Samanagato Maha Uruko, that means the one who had the very huge eye. Those types of person is called the Maha Uruka. Vatandiko, that means the Vatandika means the Vata plus Anda plus Ika. At the time, Vata means the wind, and Anda means the part of the main organ. At the time, this part of the main organ is the foot of the water, or sorry, foot of the wind. At the time, that person cannot be sit or cannot be walk. This is the when they walk or when they sit down, this person cannot be walk well, and also he feel some painful. And when he sit also at the time also he cannot sit down where he feels some painful. In this way also mentioned in the Vimiti Vinodani Tika, this is the types of the disease. And also in the Vimiti Vinodani Tika, mention me the when those types of person, because of the very huge me the because of the when this testicle will be swollen too much. Therefore, when he sit down, cannot be the cover this part of the shameful part of the body. Therefore, those types of person not allowable to become a monk or novice. Because of the disease, those types of person also cannot be allowed. Mahajanugowa, when who had the large knee. At the time also, large knee may be, according to the structure of his body, must be a suitable knee. Someone had the very huge knee at the time, appearance is not okay, and then his movement also not the normal style. Therefore, those types of person also not allowable to become a monk or novice. Singatana Januko. Singatana Januko means the two knees touch each other. Those types of person also not allowable. In this Singatana Januko can be the two position because of the very huge knee. Two legs are they have the very huge knee. Therefore, they can touch each other. This is the one position. And another is their left stretcher is the enter into the inside part. Not the normal time, their left time is therefore, when they walk, when they lie down at the time, their knee touch each other. Those types of person also not allowable to become a monk. Dika Janugowa. Dika Janugowa, when who had the Dika Jingowa, when who had the very long club of the leg. Those types of person also not allowable. In the previous also, we already studied the someone upper part of the body is the short and lower part of the body is the long. Those types of passing also appear not okay, therefore not allowable. Here also amend the lower part of the body. Type is the normal, but clap of the leg is the long. Those types of passing also not allowable. This Dika Jinga mean the look like the what does it mean the Yeti Zadisa Chango. When who had the clap or the lap look like the stick. Stick mean the what type of stick does it mention? That means we can imagine the bamboo stick. At the time, bamboo stick we use the which part is the very long. At the time, this Jenga is also look like the stick. Therefore, when we use the stick to help our working posture, at the time this stick will be too long. One part of the maybe a little higher than our lower part body. This stick a little higher than our waist. Therefore, those types of Jenga passing also not allowable. Therefore, this is called the Dika Jengowa. One who has the long clap of the left. Those types of passing called the Dika Jenga, look like the step. Wakatowa. Sorry. Wikatowa. This Wikatowa is also what types of mean? Here in the previous explain Katika, waist, and then Ani, Sada, hip, and then Januka, knee, and Jinga, cup. These four are the mentioned, but here is we can see the anything specific one. Here is the Wikata. Just mention the Wikata. Therefore, this Wikata is referred to the which part of the body. Therefore, in the commentator explain Wikata means the Tiriya. And then he put it in another way, the Gamana Pada. Because of the Pada, we can notice this Wikata means the Wikata Padova. Refer to the left. That means the Wikata Pado, not the normal leg. That means our normal leg, when we go or when we walk, we can walk normally. But those types of passing, Wikata passing, cannot be the walk normal time. Therefore, Jingamado Januka Bahi Gichandi. This Wikata passing, when he walk, his knees are bent to the outside part of the body. Therefore, not the normal tying according to the commentary, commentary explanation. Therefore, Wikata means the Wikata Bada, how he looked like me when he walked, his knee bent to the outside. Those types of passing called the Wikata passing. Panoa. This Panoa, because of the previous explanation, Wikata is also referred to the Pada. Here, Pana is also Pana Padova. Pana Padova. Pana Pada means this leg is the turn around. Not moving to the body, their leg can be the turn around. Even though we walk to the front, their foot is look like they going to the backside. Those types of passing is called the Panna Basin. Regarding this also, some commentator explain Picha do Pri Vutta Badehi Samanagato Singamado Januka and do Pawisandi. This Panna and Vikata Basin opposites. According to the second explanation, Vikata Basin means the when he walked, his knee is the bent to the outside. Panna Basin means the when he walked, his knee bent to the inside. Those types of basin are called the Vikata and Panna Basin. Upada Pendigowa. This Upada Pendika. Upada Pendika means the here Pendika. Pendika means the muscle or the cleft. Muscle or the cleft. Normally, our muscle or the cleft is the upper part of the cleft is the very huge and lower part is a little small. We can check it our leg. At the time, here the types of person is the 2 times. How do we do? This was in the times. Hita Orungahi. Upari Arungahi. Mahatihi Jinga Bedikahi Samanagato. The first person is the Hita Orungahi Mahatihi Jinga Bedikahi Samanagato. Second person is the Upari Arunlahi Mahadihi Jinga Bedikahi Samanagato. In this way, we can understand the Upada Pendika basin is the 2 types. The first basin, the one who has the muscle or the very huge muscle or the cleft, which is rise up to the upper. And the second basin, the one who has the very huge muscle of the cleft, which is bent to the under. This person is called the Upada Pendika basin. Here, right hand sister also we can imagine, even though here so do we do. After that, doesn't mention hita, any quotation mark. In the later part, we will see the another also. At the time, we can see the hyphen, because of the, at the time they use the hyphen. In the later part also, we will see the, this time, but in the sentence structure, appearance is the, not the same. Here, so do we do, and over bahiwa, pariwutta bado, ganti kingulihiwa, like this. At the time, so do we do. After that, we will see the hyphen mark. Here we haven't seen the any hyphen. Therefore, this is also we can notice. Mahajingowa. Tula Jinga Pendikowa. Maha Padowa. Maha Paniwa. Betika Padowa. Pada Wimijado. Otita Jingo. Winga Padowa. So do we do. Andowa Bahiwa. Priwuta Bado. Gandati Ginguliwa. Sengi Wira Panazri Sahi. Ingulihi Samanagato. Mahajingo, one who had the feet, clap of the left. Those types of person is called the Mahajinga. Here Maha and Tula different. And then using also a little different in the Mahajinga only. But in the Tula Jinga Pendika. That means the Tula means the refer to the only the master. Therefore, one who had the very fat master or the class of the lead, those types of person is called the Tula Jinga Pendika. Mahabadova, one who had the big leg, those types of person is called the Mahabado. Mahabaniwa, one who had the big heel of the leg, those types of person is called the Mahabani. Paitika Badova. This is the latest trait, Paitika Bada. One type of person is called the Paitika Bada. Paiti means the, according to the Pali term, Paiti means the waist or back. At the time, Pada means the leg. That means the back leg. How lit we can imagine. Therefore, we can understand. Commentator explain regarding this part. Pada Vimijato Otita Jingo. Pada Vimijato Otita Jingo. Jinga means the clap of the left. This clap of the left is arise or occur in the middle of the foot. We can check it our bone system. Our leg is the little bad part of the our foot. But here is the middle of the our foot. Start from the middle of the our foot. Our clap is appear. Therefore, this body structure is not similar to the normal. Those types of person is called the Paitika Bada. That means in the backside also they have the lead. Those types of person called the Paitika Bada. Winga Badova, one who have the cropped lead. Those types of person called the Winga Bada. So do it all. This crab-leg person has the two types. Andowa Bahiwa. Privata Bado. Inside and outside, rolling on, turn around the left. Those types of person is called the Vingabada. The crawler can be the sometimes inside, sometimes can be the outside. This person is called the Vingabada. Gandhi Kinguliwa. Gandhi Kinguliwa. Ganda. Ganti means the knock or joint. Inguli means the finger. That means the one who had the many joints or many knock finger. That means the he can be the more than the 10 finger. With 11 or 12. Those types of person is called the Gandhi Kinguliwa. Even though normally we use the Inguli with the finger, this finger is not referred to the our hand. Here it is referred to the leg. What is the appearance with the Sengi Vera Pana Sri Sehi Ingulihi Samanagado? When who possess the finger look like the surface of the ginger. When we look at to the ginger, at the time we can see the many notes in the ginger. In this way, our leg, the finger is also so many. Those types of passing called the Gandhi Ginguli passing. And Nakova, Kala Winnihi, Puti Nakehi, Samanagado. And Nako, when who has the rotten knee. Those types of passing is called the Andanaka. That means the knee when the rotten, maybe because of the disease. Those types of passing, rotten means the when we use the rotten, that means we can get the smell. But in here, Andanaka means we cannot get the any smell, but knee color will be the different. Therefore, Kala Winnihi Puti Nakehi Samanagato, one who possess the rotten knee with the color. Those types of passing is called the Andanaka. Basically, this sometimes they want to change their knee color. Now many passing use. And also, this usage is suitable to the monk or not. Because of the our skin color and knee color is not so different. Those types of is okay, but if we change our knee color different to our skin color at the time, those types of usage is not suitable to the monk. Sabopi is a parisa dusago. All of this passage are the Parisa Dusaka Pase, that means the destroy to the audience. That means the bless it in the audience or assemble. Those types of passing are called the Parisa Dusaka. Iwa Rupo Parisa Dusago na Pabaji Tavo. Such destroyment the audience passing is not allowed to become a monk. Therefore, when we make to the monk ordination, we need to ask the many questions. Are you sure the monk a gentleman or not? And then, did you have any serious disease or not? And then, after checking this, before checking this sign, we will ask outside of the Sangha group, go back, go to the 2.5 cubit from the audience. Go at the time, the candidates need to go to the best position. At the time, we need to check their walking style. Their walking style is normal or not. And then, after preparing the outside of the Sangha group, and then came to the Sangha group, slowly, at the moment also, Sangha check it. This person walking style is the normal or not. Within the Kama Vasa, we haven't mentioned, but by checking their walking style also, among the ordination ceremony, we need to check it. If their walking style is a little strange, we need to check it. What happened? And then we can ask, and the candidate need to answer. In this way, we follow those types of passing is the Parisa Dusaka passing or not, we need to check it. in the Karma Vata doesn't mention, or admonishment of the candidate doesn't mention, but we can check it by their walking style. At the moment, two position, walking style, back side and in front side. Okay, Kanoti Pasanando wa hotu. Bopadihi wa Upahada Pasado. Here in the Pali, the Bopadihi. Bopamidi. Normally we know that the Bopamidi flower. Sometimes this Bopamidi figuratively we use for the lady menstruation. This is also sometimes we use the Bopa. But here, how will we become, how will related to our eye? The first one I look at this and I'm amazing. Bopa, what does it mean here? And then I need to make clear, therefore I look at to the Naysaya. At the time, Naysaya, two Naysaya mentioned the not the Bopa, Boba. Boba means the parts. In the Naysaya, they translated the Boba meaning, not the Bopa meaning. Therefore, in our eye, because of the past, because of this level, because of the intestine, something inside problem, our eye can be the blind. And also the past, I think Bopa, because of the Bopa mean the or outside of the disturbance, our eye blind or not. But here connection the Upahata Pasado. Therefore, here, according to the Naysaya, Boba, Paliwa is the most suitable. Okay, this is the Pali form we can take. Kanodi Pasana Pasanando wa Hotu. Kana means the blind person. This blind person means the which part is the blind means the our their inner eye sensitivity is the blind. But his eye appearance is the look like the normal, but he can't see anything. Those types of person is called the Pasanando. Another type the Pasanando, another is the Kano. Eye appearance is the normal, but his eye sensitivity is the already blind, cannot be the see. Those types of person is called the Pasanando. Why blind means the Bobadihi wa Upahada Basado. The eye sensitivity is destroyed with the pus and so on. Your duidowa. Sorry, your duihiwa Ekenawa Ekina na pasati. So na babaji tabo. Whoever cannot be seen with two eyes or one eye. That means whoever their eye, one or two eye, is blind. Those persons not allowed to make it monk or novice. Therefore, in the Buddha teaching or in the Sasana, no one is blind. And with the one eye or two eye, but in the, we already know the Jakubala, they say the after becoming the monk or at the moment, he became blind. Those types of blind person, the assertive. Before becoming the man, blind person not allowed to enter into the teaching of the Buddha. Novice and meant as a noble and meant no along. Mahapichariyam Pana Eke Kikano Kanoti Vokto Dui Ekikano Ni Andina Sangahito Maha Atagatayan Jitjando Andoti Vokto Tasama Ubayan Bibriya Yena Yochati. Here explain the Pana, however, in the Mahapicchari commentary. When eye blind person is set as the Kana, two eye blind person is called the Anda. Pali one, Anda and Kana a little different according to the Mahapicchari commentary. Dui Ekikano Andina Sangahito. Two eye blind person is included with the term of the Anda. This Anda is also to tie Jitjanda, blind in birth, blind in outside. But here doesn't mention what types of Anda. Here only mention one eye or two eye. In this way they mention. Maha Athagataya Jitjando and Oti Fogdo. In the Maha Athagata, blind in birth person is set as a Anda. Therefore, Anda uses the a little different with the two commentary. Tasama Ubayambi Priyayena Yojati. Therefore, these two, here these two also refer to the which way. These two mean the Kana and the Paliwa. These Kana and the Paliwas is suitable figuratively for the blind person. Kuniti, Hatha Kuniwa, Pada Kuniwa, Inguli Kuniwa. Kunimidi crop. Hatha Kuniwa, that means the one who had the cropped leg. Pada Kunimidi, one who had the crop. Hatha Kunimidi, one who had the cropped hand. Pada Kunimidi, one who has the cropped legs. Inguli Kuniwa, one who has the crossed finger. Those types of person are called the Kuni. In the original Pali, the Kuni means the one who has the crossed limb. Any part of the body, those types of person are called the Kuni person. Yasa itesu, Hatha desu, Yangenji, Wingan, Panyayati, So Kuni Nama. Yasa itesu, Hatha desu, whoever of these hand and so on, Yangenji Wingan, whatever is cross and obvious. Those person is called the Kuni. Here mentioned only the Hatha, Pada, Inguli. If one who had among the three, when they eat crop, those types of person can be called the Guni. Two-theme person, this person is also called the Guni. Three-theme also Guni. Therefore, don't misunderstand. Guni means the one theme or two theme or three theme. Whatever the one part of the body, if that they are corrupt, this person is called the Guni. Kinjoti Nata Janu Goa Baina Jingoa Miji Singutita Padada Konda Padagoa Beti Bada Miji Na Jingamado Egi Singutita Padada Konda Badoa Beti Badagi Na Jingamando Ega Badi Niwa Jingamandowa Tani Kaya Jingamana Kanjowa Padasa Bahirandarina Jingamana Jango Jingamana Kinjowa Padasa Abandarina Jingamana Kinjowa Gupaganen Upari Sagalina Gupagana Upari Bagada Sagalina Beti Badena Jingamana Kinjowa Sabo Bisa Kinjo Yiwa So Na Babaji Dabo Kinjami the lame person. At the time also lame person is the here according to the commentary explanation we can get is three different types. They are walking style. At the time we can note that this person is called the Kanja person. The first one is the Nata Januko. When who has the Benny, those types of person is called the Nata Januko. Baina Jingo. When who has the broken or break clap of the leg, those types of person also called the Kinja. In this Paliwa, Baina Jingo. Baina Jingo means the broken clap of the leg. We can't understand. Therefore, here commentator explain Miji Singutita Padada Peti Bada Mijina Singamando Hodawa Konda Badago Miji. That means Miji. Mide means which part of the mide? That means the only leg. Mide part of the knee. This knee has the Singutita Padada. Singutita, that means the not the straight man. Crop leg. When I count on the crop leg, when they go to the sometime Konda Padago. This Konda Padago means the when he walk at the time, this person is the not, how can I say, in our foot, not the whole part of the foot doesn't touch. Same part, and then we had the three part of the foot. Upper part, middle part, and back part. At the time, front, middle, and back. Among these three parts, only the middle part they can touch to the ground. Two types of person is called the Konda Padagoa. Peti pada mijena jingamando egge singutita padada konda padagowa. This konda padagai also when who cast in the ya peti pada mijena singamando. That means when who walk to the with the middle part of the foot. Egge singutita padada. The in front part of the leg is the a little cracked. This person is called the Konda Padaka. Peti Padagena Singamando. Eka Padena Singamana Jingowa. Peti Padagena Jingamando. When who want with the bad part of the foot. Eka Padenewa Jingamana Kinjo. With the front part of the leg. At the time, Jingamana Kinjo, he lame. Because this person doesn't touch with the whole foot. Therefore, their movement or their orchestra, they cannot be the normal. Panikaya Jingamana Kinjowa. Panikaya Jingamana Kanjowa. When who war with the instant. Pani means the instant. INSTAB instant. At the time, Jingamana Panikaya Jingamana Kinjo. This Panika is the a little lame. Those types of person also called the Kinjo. Padasa Abandorina Jingamana Kinjo. Therefore, it is not normal. Therefore, when he walked, at the time he walked with the inner part of the foot. Those types of persons also called the lame to the walking. That means the Kinja person, three types. Peti Bada Jingamana. Eka Bada Jingamana Kinja. Bahirandara Jingamana Kinja. Abandara Jingamana Kinja. In this way, we can see the three different types of the walking style and how do they lame their body part. We can see it. Gupagane Upari Bagada Sakalina Peti Padina Jingamana Kanjo. Peti Padina Jingamana Kanjo. Peti Pada, that means the bedside body, our leg, Jingamana Kinjo, when he walked with the bedside of the foot. Why this person also called the Kinja means the Gupagana Upari Bagata. Their ankle, it bent to the upper. Therefore, this person also Jingamana Kinja. Sabopi Isa, Kinjo Yewa, Sabopi Isa. That means all these persons are called the lame person. So, Nababaji Davo, that person should not be made ordination. Okay, let's start here. Our Glabari recited Buddha Sasanan Jiran Datu 3 times. Buddha Sasanan Jiran Datatu. Buddha Sasanan Jiran Datatu. Buddha Sasanan Jiran Datatu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Thank you so much, Bante.
Yeah, okay, welcome.
See you.
Yeah, see you.